Cash is not king when it comes to financing a home purchase. A big mistake that a lot of home buyers make is wanting to use cash that they have tucked under the mattress or stowed away in a safe somewhere, put it in the bank, and use that towards closing costs and down payments on their home purchase. Unfortunately, things don't work that way. Here's why. The Patriot Act, signed into law by George W. Bush after 9/11, requires for mortgage lenders to verify, document, paper trail, and explain any large, unusual deposits into a bank account. And the underwriter's typically going to look at 2 months or 60 days worth of bank statements. So if they see any large deposits, that's going to throw up a red flag. Not only do large deposits have to be explained, we have to show them. So if somebody says, I made $5,000 off of a car sale, then that's fine, that's perfectly acceptable, but then we have to get a copy of that bill of sale as well as transfer of title for that vehicle, in addition to validating that the car's actually worth the $5,000 that they sold it for. If they say they were digging around their backyard and found a treasure chest full of cash and they deposited that $12,000 into their bank account, yeah, we're not going to be able to paper trail that. There's no way of verifying or sourcing that. So that's going to be disallowed from being used for down payment and closing costs in the mortgage transaction. So what do we consider to be a large deposit? Because surely that number is going to vary from person to person based on saving habits, income levels, things of that nature. Well, it depends on the loan product. So for an FHA loan, for example, they consider a large deposit to be anything in excess of 1% of the purchase price of the home that you're getting. So if somebody's purchasing a $400,000 house using FHA financing, we have to paper trail, document, and source any bank deposit in excess of $4,000, which is 1% of that purchase price. On the conventional side, they look at your qualifying monthly income. Anything 50% or more of your monthly income is going to be considered a large deposit with Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. So if the borrower makes $7,000 a month in gross income, any deposits larger than $3,500 are going to be scrutinized with Fannie and Freddie conventionally. And remember, when we address large deposits, not only do you have to tell me, but you also need to show me. Paperwork, paperwork, paperwork. If you're knowing that you're going to be looking to buy a house anytime soon, be very aware of this. If you do make any sales or acquire large sums of cash that you're going to deposit, make sure to hold on to every piece of paperwork associated with this transaction so that your mortgage lender can smoothly explain and document it for the underwriter. This is going to cause a lot less stress in the home buying process. Otherwise, you may have to delay things by 60 days. If anybody has any questions about this, you know how to reach me. Thank you so much. Have a great day and happy house hunting.